A flurry of reports regarding big improvements in video, focusing, and general performance is generating a lot of excitement among photographers and videographers for Nikon's impending Z8 II mirrorless camera. This is a thorough analysis of the most recent leaks, forecasts, and their potential implications for next Nikon shooters. Rumors suggest that the Z8 II will maintain a similar form factor to the original Z8, which is known for its robust magnesium alloy construction and comprehensive weather sealing. This continuity would make sense as the Z8's build quality and handling have been praised by both professionals and enthusiasts. Some sources claim that the Z8 II will be lighter than its predecessor, possibly due to material refinements or internal redesigns. However, there is no concrete evidence, such as leaked CAD drawings or manufacturing details, to confirm a reduction in body weight. The suggestion of improved ergonomics, such as tweaks to button placement and grip contour, is plausible, as manufacturers often refine these elements in successive models. But again, no photographic or technical documentation has surfaced to validate these specific changes. A redesigned mode dial potentially inspired by the flagship Z9 is another point of speculation. The Z9's mode dial is lauded for its quick access to custom settings, and it would be logical for Nikon to bring this feature to the Z8 II to streamline workflow for advanced users. However, no leaked images or official patents confirm this design change. The expectation of dual card slots, specifically a combination of CF Express Type B and SDUHS2, aligns with trends in high-end mirrorless cameras, as this configuration supports both high-speed data transfer and compatibility with widely used SD cards. The original Z8 already features dual CF Express SD card slots, so it is likely that the Z8 II would retain or improve upon this setup, but no official documentation confirms the exact configuration. The electronic viewfinder in the Z8 is already high resolution, offering a bright and detailed image for composition and review. Rumors of an upgraded EVF in the Z8 II, possibly with higher resolution and faster refresh rates, are consistent with industry trends, as competitors continue to push the envelope in this area. However, no technical specifications or credible leaks have surfaced to confirm the precise specifications of the Z8 II's EVF. Similarly, there is speculation about a higher resolution or more responsive rear display, but no concrete evidence supports this claim. One of the most widely discussed rumors is the inclusion of a next-generation X-speeded image processor in the Z8 II. Nikon has a history of updating its processing engines to enable faster data handling, improved noise reduction, and advanced autofocus algorithms. While it is highly likely that the Z8 II will feature an updated processor, there is no official confirmation or detailed leak specifying the processor's capabilities or model number. Sensor rumors center on a 45.7 megapixel stacked full-frame sensor similar to the one used in the original Z8. This is a credible expectation, as the sensor in the Z8 has been praised for its dynamic range and image quality. Some sources suggest the possibility of reduced resolution RAW options to facilitate more efficient workflows, a feature seen in other high-end cameras. While this is plausible, there is no official or leaked documentation confirming the sensor's exact specifications or the availability of multiple RAW resolution modes. Perhaps the most headline-grabbing rumor is the suggestion that the Z8 II will support 8K video recording at up to 120 frames per second. This would be a significant leap, as the original Z8 offers 8K at 30 frames per second and 4K at up to 120 frames per second. While the industry is moving toward higher frame rates and resolutions, no camera in Nikon's current lineup, nor in the broader market, offers 8K at 120 frames per second in a consumer or prowler body as of mid-2025. This makes the rumor highly speculative. If Nikon were to achieve this, it would require substantial advancements in sensor readout speed, heat management, and data processing. Therefore, while the rumor is exciting, there is no credible evidence, such as leaked product briefings or engineering samples, to support the claim at this time. Other video-related rumors include internal 10-bit recording, higher bit rates, and expanded color profile options. These are more plausible as many recent cameras from Nikon and competitors have introduced such features to appeal to filmmakers and content creators. The original Z8 already supports internal 10-bit recording and a variety of color profiles, so incremental improvements in this area are likely, though not confirmed. The autofocus system in the Nikon Z8 is widely regarded as one of the best in its class with fast, accurate subject tracking, and reliable performance in a variety of conditions. Rumors suggest that the Z8 II will feature a new set of autofocus algorithms, possibly powered by a dedicated neural processing unit, NPU, for real-time subject recognition and tracking. While the use of AI and machine learning in autofocus is a growing trend seen in cameras like the Sony 7R5 and Canon EOS R5, there is no concrete evidence that Nikon will introduce a dedicated NPU in the Z8 II. Enhanced AI-based subject detection, including broader support for animals and vehicles, is a reasonable expectation, but the specifics remain unconfirmed. The community's desire for faster focus reacquisition and improved tracking in low-contrast or backlit scenarios is well-founded, as these are common challenges in autofocus systems. If Nikon introduces a new processor, it is likely that autofocus performance will improve, but the extent and nature of these improvements are not yet documented in any credible leak. One of the main criticisms of the Nikon Z8 is its tendency to overheat during long 8K recording sessions. Rumors of improved thermal management systems in the Z8 II are both plausible and likely, as manufacturers typically address known issues in subsequent models. However, there are no leaked engineering diagrams, patent filings, or official statements detailing the specific changes Nikon might make to the Z8 Disco's heat dissipation systems. Several smaller but meaningful features are rumored for the Z8 II. RAW pre-capture, which allows the camera to record images just before the shutter is pressed, is a feature that has appeared in other brands' flagship models and would be a logical addition for action and wildlife photographers. Pixel shift technology, enabling the creation of ultra-high-resolution images from multiple exposures, is another feature seen in competitors' cameras. While both features are plausible, there is no direct evidence, such as firmware leaks or pre-release manuals, confirming their inclusion in the Z8 II. Connectivity is expected to remain strong with high-speed USB-C, HDMI output, and possibly next-generation wireless options like Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3. These features align with industry standards and user expectations, but again, no official specifications are available. Dual recording capabilities allowing simultaneous capture in different formats or to separate cards would enhance workflow flexibility and are consistent with trends in professional camera design. Based on Nikon's historical update cycles and the timelines between previous models, such as the Z6 to Z6 II and Z7 to Z7 II, many fans anticipate an announcement for the Z8 II in late 2025, with availability potentially rolling into early 2026. This projection is reasonable, but not confirmed by any official source. Pricing is expected to be slightly above the original Z8 at launch, possibly in the $5,500 to $6,000 range. This would reflect the upgraded internal components and performance capabilities, while still positioning the Z8 II below the flagship Z9. However, until an official announcement is made, both the release date and pricing remain speculative. The Z8 II is likely to continue Nikon's tradition of robust build quality and professional-grade performance, but the specifics will remain speculative until Nikon lifts the veil on its next-generation mirrorless camera. What features are you most excited about in the Nikon Z8 II? Share your thoughts below and stay tuned for more updates on the latest in camera tech.